Hello everyone. Welcome back to our video series. In this video, I will demonstrate how to revoke a sent signature request document, clone it, and resend it after making the necessary changes. Revoking a signature request is helpful when you accidentally send it to the wrong recipient, include an outdated file, forget to add a form field, or encounter other unforeseen situations. Once it is revoked, the recipient will no longer have access to it or be able to sign the signature request. Let's assume a scenario where I am the sender of a document, but I have mistakenly sent the signature request to the wrong person. So, I need to revoke the document and then clone it to make the necessary changes before sending it correctly. Let's start by revoking the document. First, I expand the Documents menu on the dashboard page and click My Documents. Here, I locate the document that I want to revoke. Then I click the Context menu and select the Revoke option. A pop-up asks for my confirmation. I enter the reason for revoking the document, which in this case is mistake in specifying recipients. Next, I click the Yes, Revoke button. Now, the document is revoked, making it inaccessible to the recipients. See, its status is changed to revoked in the document list. The status of the revoked document is also visible to the recipients associated with it. Now, I need to send the same document to the correct recipient. So, instead of creating a new document from scratch, which would take a lot of time, I clone the already created document. This will save me time and effort. First, I hover over the revoked document and click the Context menu icon. Then, I select the Clone Document option, which initiates the cloning process and duplicates the revoked document. The cloning process is complete. Now, I edit the document by entering the correct recipient details and send it out for signing. That's it. With these simple steps, I've successfully revoked the document from the wrong recipient, cloned it, and resent it with the necessary changes. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.